Hello everyone and welcome back to Make Money Online. Today we're going to be talking about the top 5 altcoins to invest in and make $1 million in 2021. Some cryptocurrencies have ventured into the physical world with credit cards or other projects. The large majority remain virtual though. Since 2013, the cryptocurrency market has experienced immense growth that has been hard to ignore. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency invented back in 2009. Nobody knew about Bitcoin until 2013. It's become the best cryptocurrency to invest in, but there are now more than 1,500 different cryptocurrencies, all created in less than 5 years. The year 2017 was the year crypto made it. The market cap of cryptocurrencies grew by 4,000%. The market cap of all cryptocurrencies was around $21 billion in March of 2017. Whereas it is now over $454 billion. That's huge, isn't it? Bitcoin has not just been the first cryptocurrency. It's paved the way for a wave of cryptocurrencies built on a decentralized peer-to-peer network. It's now the benchmark for other cryptocurrencies, inspiring an ever-growing legion of followers. Bitcoin continues to lead the pack of cryptocurrencies in terms of market capitalization, user base, and popularity. Cryptocurrencies are almost always designed to be free from government manipulation and control. Although as they've grown more popular, this foundational aspect of the industry has come under fire. The currencies modeled after Bitcoin are collectively called altcoins and have often tried to present themselves as modified or improved versions of Bitcoin. While some of these currencies are easier to mine than Bitcoin, there are trade-offs, including greater risk brought on by lower levels of liquidity, acceptance, and value retention. Many of those tokens and coins enjoy immense popularity among a dedicated community of backers and investors. While Bitcoin is widely seen as a pioneer in the world of cryptocurrencies, other cryptocurrencies are gathering momentum. We've compiled a list of the top 5 altcoins which are doing great in the crypto market. Before we consider the top 5 altcoins to invest in 2021, let's first address the rules of engagement when it comes to investment in cryptocurrencies. Pay close attention to these, as they're really important to help minimize risks and increase ROI for cryptocurrency investors in 2021. Diversify your investments. This is probably the most important rule of all. Never invest money in one asset. It's a novice mistake common to new traders and investors. Many people make this mistake repeatedly and tend to lose all their money after the first failing deal. Diversify your investment portfolio, that is, invest in more than one cryptocurrency. At least one of the chosen cryptocurrencies will bring profits and you'll be able to minimize losses. Do not blindly trust one source of data. Be careful what source of information you deploy. Reduce your sources to a few trustworthy sources such as chats, forums, expert opinion, financial analysis, and brokers. Learn and observe. This is the last but not the least rule you should adhere to. It's the only way to pick the best cryptocurrencies and the entry point to this extremely volatile market. Pay close attention to verified crypto news and take a cue from their analysis and predictions to help guide your choice. In ranking cryptocurrencies, there are 2 major factors that analysts consider. Market capitalization represents the value of all issued digital coins of the particular cryptocurrency. A high market cap means a large volume of the crypto coins participating in active transactions, which means enhanced interest of investors. The liquidity level represents how fast a cryptocurrency can be sold at its market price. The higher the liquidity level, the faster it is. For example, the most popular cryptocurrencies, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Ripple, have a high liquidity rate. Trading activity on exchanges indicates the number of transactions with certain cryptos made over a certain period. This indicator shows an actual demand in particular cryptocurrencies among traders. According to a chart created by CoinMarketCap, these are the top 10 cryptocurrencies as of January 2020. Bitcoin stood ahead of the pack with a market cap of $162 billion. Ethereum follows at a market valuation of about $18 billion. And Ripple is poised in third at $10 billion. Now let's take a look at the list of best cryptocurrencies to invest in 2021 and their price predictions for 2021 as well. Ethereum. Ethereum is the first Bitcoin alternative that everyone is most familiar with. Like Bitcoin, it runs on a decentralized software platform that enables smart contracts and decentralized apps to be built and run. It operates via the blockchain without fear of fraud, control, or interference from a third party on its platform-specific cryptographic token, Ether. Ether was used mostly by developers looking to develop and run applications inside Ethereum, or now by investors looking to make purchases of other digital currencies using Ether. Ethereum was launched in 2015. It's currently the second largest digital currency by market cap after Bitcoin. The gap between the market cap of Ethereum and Bitcoin is exceedingly large. As of January 2020, Ether's market cap was roughly 1/10 the size of Bitcoin's. Before its launch, Ethereum launched a pre-sale for Ether. It attracted great interest from the public, which helped to usher in the new practice of initial coin offerings, or ICO. Somewhat similar to IPO in stocks, an ICO is the first major entry of a cryptocurrency into the global market, where investors are allowed to buy into the crypto at a relatively cheap price. Following the attack of the DAO in 2016, Ethereum was split into Ethereum and Ethereum Classic. The value of Ethereum may increase due to the increasing demand for its blockchain and functions, rather than a deficit of the asset as it happens with Bitcoin right now. The success or failure of Ethereum will depend on upcoming fork updates and rapid implementation of the proof-of-stake algorithm. The approval by regulatory organizations and community decision to delist ETH from the list of altcoins may also affect its price. As of January 8, 2020, Ethereum had a market cap of $15.6 billion and a per-token value of $142.54. This chart shows how Ethereum has grown over the last few years. The chart shows the trend in the price of Ethereum from August 2015 to July 2020. Ethereum grew by about 3,000% in the year 2017 and became the second largest cryptocurrency, placing second behind Bitcoin. The value of Ethereum was slightly higher than $720 towards the end of 2019, with a total market cap of around $70 billion. At the beginning of 2018, Ethereum climbed and reached its highest price of $1,423 on January 4th. At this time, the total market cap for Ethereum was $138 billion. In May 2016, Ethereum received an investment of around $150 million. This moved its price upwards from $1 in January 2016 to around $14.8 in May 2016. Later in June of 2016, members of the Ethereum community found out that Ethereum had been hacked. This caused the Ethereum price to drop from the high of $21.52 on 17th of June 2016 to $9.96 on the 18th of June of 2016. Currently, Ethereum has a market capitalization of almost $44 billion and a price of $387.09. Therefore, 2021 holds a lot of promise for Ethereum, and you should consider getting on the bandwagon. Some analysts have predicted the value of Ethereum in 2021 at certain ranges. For instance, Long Forecast expects a value of $200 in 2021. This is a fairly conservative expectation. Digital coin price is more optimistic, peaking at $530 in 2021, while InvestHaven expects an Ether price of $1,000. Being Crypto offers a largely optimistic look into the future of Ethereum in 2021. This is evident in this chart. Observing the upward trend, which we can see in the first gray box to the second gray box, this chart gives a price of approximately $2,800 by December 2021. It seems way too bullish when compared to the more modest expectations of the other crypto platforms highlighted before. However, this price shouldn't surprise you. Ethereum has exceeded the $1,000 mark before, reaching an all-time high of about $1,389.18 on January 15th of 2018, and it can be replicated on a bigger scale. We recommend that you think about adding Ethereum to your list, as we think it could be one of the best cryptocurrencies to invest in 2021. Ripple XRP. Based on the market index, XRP is ranked as the third most valuable crypto asset in dollar terms, valued at around $11 billion. XRP was a prime contender for the spot of the best cryptocurrency in 2017, with a growth of around 36,000%. Sounds surreal, but it's true. It grew from almost $0 at the beginning of 2017 and reached $2.4 in December of 2017, as you can see in the chart. Like all other cryptocurrencies, the price of Ripple has also decreased in 2018. It's currently set at $0.25. The chart documents the trend of XRP from August 2013 to July 2020. If you're hearing about Ripple for the first time, we know that you're thinking you missed a great opportunity by not investing in Ripple in early 2017. While that's true, Ripple could still be a good option to consider as your next cryptocurrency to invest in 2021. An analyst confirmed that the price of Ripple XRP is currently following a wave pattern on the Ripple USD chart. which would mean that once the prices hit $0.21, it will start to reclimb. In the long term, it's expected that XRP will reach a price of $25 to $30. Many altcoins are expected to experience a heavy crash, but due to its nature, XRP is on support, so it may not be affected as badly as other altcoins. The coin is expected to trade at an average of $0.3 by the end of 2021. CoinSwitch's forecast predicted that XRP might touch the $2 mark in 2021, trade around $3 in 2023, and soar up to $4.52 in 2025, driven by new partnerships and emerging technologies. You should consider adding XRP to your investment portfolio for 2021. Litecoin. The price of Litecoin has fallen roughly 87% from its $371 all-time high seen in late 2017 during the crypto bubble, and it hasn't traded anywhere near those levels over the 3 years that followed the crash, as shown in the chart. Moreover, the coin has been consistently posting lower highs, with the price falling to touch the same high in the years that follow, which ends up creating a bearish bias towards the coin, at least from a long-term perspective. Some analysts are in favor of a bullish breakout for LTC due to the current positive backdrop for cryptocurrencies. Debasement, retail boom, usage of crypto as a payment method, and blockchain implementation. Litecoin is breaking above the upper trend line of that triangle in 2021, with the first target at $86. This level matches the 0.382 Fibonacci extensions shown in this chart, which can be drafted using the height of the triangle as guidance. Although Litecoin may be too risky to consider a worthy investment, in the long run, there are merits to see Litecoin as a potentially rewarding short-term or long-term instrument to trade, especially if one uses volatility in its favor. Bitcoin Cash. Another one of the best altcoins to keep an eye on next year will be Bitcoin Cash. It came into existence in the major split of Bitcoin. It hasn't seen the types of gains that the likes of Ether and Bitcoin has, but its potential was multiplied considering increasing levels of mainstream adoption as a result of the PayPal integration. There is a predicted heightened level of demand for the coin in 2021, especially if it begins to be used for everyday purchases. It has a bigger block size, 8 megabytes, compared to Bitcoin's 1 megabyte, and this should play to its advantage in the traditional market setting. Some BCH analysts are optimistic that BCH might go beyond $700 by July 2021, and perhaps revisit this price in September 2021 after a short correction. This is shown in the projections here. Chainlink. Chainlink's origin can be traced back to September 2014, when its parent company smartcontract.com was established to build a bridge between external data sources and public blockchains. Chainlink is a blockchain platform designed to protect clients against unauthorized access when exchanging data while working with complex smart contracts. The company's original solution relied on centralized oracles, creating an obstacle to the development of decentralized financial networks. The problem was solved in September 2017 with the introduction of the decentralized oracle network, the Chainlink network. Within the same month, the team conducted an initial coin offering which raised more than $32 million. However, the coin did not exist during the major cryptocurrency surge of 2017. During its ICO, the developers sold over 370 million Link tokens. As of the 25th of November 2020, Chainlink was ranked 6th by market cap among cryptocurrencies, coming in at about $6 billion. With a circulating supply of 393,509,556 out of 1 billion coins, the cost of one Link token equals $15.45 or 0.0008 bitcoins. This chart confirms the progress of the Link token from 2018 to 2020. Link token performed well over the past 2 years, moving from $0.3 to $19.85. According to Wallet Invest's price prediction, Link should keep bullish momentum and may rise to $28 by 2021. Over the next few years, Chainlink is expected to grow further and reach $100 by 2025. Based on the progress Chainlink's team has achieved and the popularity the crypto coin has gained, its prospects for further growth are tremendous. Chainlink should grow in the future. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. What other trending cryptocurrency news would you like us to talk about? Leave your comments below. Be sure to check out some of our other great videos. See you next time.